Evangelist Ebuka Obi he said that the governor of Imo State will be Hope Uzodinma will remain the governor. As a prophet they go on no be smarting na people paroputu. Asari Dokubo don come as a changer for Tinubu government and the changer for Northerners as well for the claim of Abuja. No be smarting no. They say Kasala don the boss for their head one by one. No be smarting. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smarting. Before we quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for hand today. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel or follow all our social media handles, I don't know what you they wait to. We there for Twitter, we there for TikTok. We dey for Instagram, we dey everywhere. We dey for everywhere where you dey find for social media. There we dey. Oh yeah, may you quickly go subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell so at any time when we upload, you go to get our update back to back as it dey hot. Yes, we'll go into the matter where we get for hand today. They say the evangelist will be Ebuka Obi. Don't talk say na Hope Uzodinma go remain the governor of Imo State. We'll go play you the video, may you watch before we come back and talk more about the video. Stay tuned.
In Imo State, in the bay, Chuku Goziono, Oya Drain Chaninema. Naha Jesus. My name is Evangelist Ebuka Obi, General Overseer of Zion Prayer Movement Outreach and the founder of Seraphic Homes Foundation. God bless you. I've come again for the matter concerning Imo State, the state of my origin. God bless you and God bless all the Imolites. God bless you all in the name of Jesus. I have interest in Imo State election. My interest is that there is no family you will enter in Imo State without seeing Zion member. So that is my number one interest. I know they listen to me. I know they respect me a lot. And I know they are aware that I'm a man of integrity. They know what I stand for. May God bless them all. And I pray for peace in that forthcoming election, 11th of next month, November. And I pray for protection of all the Imolites and especially Zion members. And I want to also use this opportunity to thank Governor Hope Uzodinma. We must learn how to appreciate people when they do what is right. When Lagos was on fire, when the houses of Igbo people were being demolished, Governor Hope Uzodinma was the only governor that came from the southeast. He came from the southeast and met the governor of Lagos State. And they dialogue and they stopped demolition of Igbo properties in Alaba International. It wants to praise somebody, it wants to thank somebody. So Governor Hope Uzodinma, thank you for that. There was a time I cried out about the road leading to my village and Iseke from Nobis Primary School. That road has been abandoned by former governors of Imo State. When I cried out about that road, Governor Hope Uzodinma promised and they have sent contractors to measure it and the work will commence on Thursday. So Governor Hope Uzodinma, thank you for accepting to do the road for the people. And also the secondary school that is falling. God bless you. I need to appreciate you for what you have done in Alaba International, for what you have done in Imo State, and I know what you will do more after the election. So God bless you, Imolites. Go out there and vote wisely. Don't be deceived. If you decided to kill your brother that day, Abuja does not know you kill your brother. So you see that at the end we are the one hurting ourselves. I beg the politicians in Igbo land on my birthday about release of Nnamdi Kanu, how they will go. This is the only birthday gift I need from you and him and the other senators here to go to Asari and plead for release of Nnamdi Kanu. Because if you are wise and intelligent enough, you will know that it's dialogue we need. If you like, continue to kill your brothers in the southeast, it will not release Nnamdi Kanu. If there is any man of God that have been crying about the issue of Nnamdi Kanu in Igbo land, I am number one person. And with my knowledge, I know that what will save us is dialogue. And the people that will go for this dialogue are these governors, senators. That is why I was pleading to them through Senator Nassau to take the message. And the bloggers on the Facebook were twisting the matter. But this truth, the only people that will go for this dialogue are our governors, senators, our elites, political leaders. You that are killing your brother in the village, Are you the one that will go to Abuja? Will they open the gate for you? So once again, Governor Uzodinma, thank you for the road you will commence on Thursday. Thank you for what you did in Alaba International and Imo Lights, all the whole Imo State people. Go out there and vote wisely. God bless you and preserve you, and I pray for peace in that election in Jesus' holy name.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As he can't drop this message, can't see wetin more people come dey talk now. They say so they follow the sponsor wetin dey happen for Imo State. No be small thing, no. And people don't say this is unbelievable that Ebuka Obi, they no believe say you go come outside come talk this kind of thing upon wetin dey happen. However, na so we see am. May you let us know wetin be your own opinion for inside comment section. Let's quickly jump into this another ogbonge news wey we get for her today. They say Asari Dokubo, as e be like this now, e be like say the cake wey dey share e no reach im hand, and as the cake no go reach im hand, Asari Dokubo dey para put for im papa wey be Tinubu, according to as e take talk am. We go play the video wey Asari Dokubo dey para dey put concerning how they come dey claim Abuja as we dey talk right now. Stay tuned and watch the video.
All of you know that I was one of the people who gave tough time to Nyesom Wike as governor of Rivers State. But Abuja does not belong to Gumi, it does not belong to the North, it does not belong to Muslims. That is the truth of the matter, and we must say it clearly. It does not belong to us as Muslims. Abuja was built with the Ijaw people's money, with Igbo people's money, with the Chekri people's money, with the Orobo people's money, with the Isoko people's money. What they told us when we were leaving Lagos to Abuja was that Abuja will be no man's land. Everybody will be removed from Abuja. Every Nigerian will be an indigene of Abuja. They have changed all the laws. So somebody from Sokoto State, Gumi, who is from Sokoto State, is talking of Abuja. And what is his connection with Abuja? What is Dr. Ahmed Gumi connection with Abuja? That he will be talking about Abuja. That Wike should be removed. Muslim ticket was voted by Nigerian people because they know who Ahmed Tinubu is. Because a lot of us know. I did not vote Ahmed Tinubu because he's a Muslim. Because I know him. I know what he's capable of doing. And that's why I supported him. That's why I support him. Even though today I might have some things. The appointment that is going on is one-sided. We must speak out. This is not Lagos. The president must know that the party is following in making appointment. As if appointment is on Lagos, as if Nigeria is on Lagos, is dangerous. He already has a lot of problems.
God have mercy upon us.
We must point this thing out. Why should somebody like Posun Tijani be in this government? After all the abuse and criticism, the president should look back at the appointment and rewind it, retrace it, and balance it. This is a country that belongs to all of us.
Yeah, my people, welcome back as you don't watch that video. So finally, Asari Dokubo no say that they collect money from Igbo people land. I think say Igbo people not get anything. The day where Igbo people go wake up, realize say even resources, mineral resources where they get for their land, where Nigeria government they thief, where we say that they place in a small they get to na lie. Igbo people get oil in yoku. If you don't know I'm today. If they born you for Ebema, since where they draw oil for that side, till today they see they draw, why never finish? And the other mineral resources where we say we never even dictate for Igbo land though. Asari Dokubo, so he finally talk, say Igbo, they collect from Igbo people. I think say Igbo people know them for your dictionary. And I am moving too much these days, so no be smarting. But I thank you so much for this word. At least maybe say now one truth where I can't, where you don't talk, and I write and dance. say you talk am, the world don hear am say you wey be Asari Dokubo don talk am come aside. But however, the appointment in Nigeria is not for Igbos. Igbos should stay out of Nigeria politics and fight for their rights. This is what the balabas media have to say. No be small thing. Okay, my people, now here we see am today. I want me to leave your own opinion regarding the video, so we don't play for you. Say your own opinion for comment section, and not forget to share this video, because other people need to know wetin dey happen. No be every time where we go dey bring the thing where you want. Sometimes we go dey bring other things wey be say other people need to see, because we dey keep all those things for record. We dey keep am for tomorrow, so that we go remember them when Biafra come. Na this role you pray, na this thing you do. And that's why anytime when you see news, you have to buy in that news, but don't keep am as a record in case of tomorrow. Okay, my people, we go see you for the next update, and make sure say you dey subscribe to this channel and also follow our Facebook page.